Hey guys, I'm just gonna make a quick unboxing of the Mishimoto inline oil thermostat, 10 a.m. This is good for when you add an oil cooler. It gets your oil up to temperature before actually letting it go through the cooler. You can see it comes with -10 fittings. And this is a 185 degree thermostat, I think. It might start opening at 160 and be fully open at 180. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's not too heavy, but it's got a good weight. Pretty sure this is the actual thermostat part right here. It has a little mounting bracket. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. In case you guys are wondering what is going to go on, what's going on my BMW over here. I just got done making these, it's a little bit dark, sorry, but I got done making these lines for the oil catch can. And if you want to know how it attaches to the motor, I'm using a little cooler cap from PMC Motorsport -10 as well. And it just goes on. You connect it to that, and it's very cool. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, catch you later.